So we're going to start with some of these fake statistics. I put in a calculation here to see that these all add up to 85. And I've asked the question, how many times a day do you check your phone? The options are listed here, 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, etc. And these are the responses, but we're going to need to put those into percentages. So I'm going to do that by putting in a formula over here in this column. I'm dividing everything by 85. Or even better, I'll divide it by B7. So if things change, that will automatically change. And it wants to put that into a different format, so I'm going to have to change that to a percent. And now I can just copy and paste that formula here. And I'm going to have to go back in and change a couple of things because it wants to divide these by numbers that are higher, but I want them all divided by B7. And at this point, my data sheets become a little bit messy. But that's okay, because this is where I'm keeping my information. So these are my percentages that I'm going to be using. So basically we're following the same video that you see here. I'm going to be changing things a little bit. For example, the person who created this video does things in pixels. I'm going to do it by inches and decimals, and I'll show you that. So for example, here we've got a 1-inch rectangle. So I just made a rectangle. Made it 1 inch wide by the default height, didn't care too much about it. I chose to make it a gray color. You could choose a different color if you'd like to. Those are really just to kind of figure out how they work. So this is my 100% rectangle. Then over here, I looked at the percentage of students who check their phone 1 to 5 times a day. I changed this to a number format, so I know that that's 0.11. And when I want to do that in inches, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick Control-C, Control-V of this rectangle. And then up here, I want to change this to 0.11. And then I've got this size rectangle, which will fit very nicely into there. I'm going to pick a color for it. I'm going to make it pink. And this fact is really for you guys right now, not so much what I'm going to have it end up looking like. So that is just one of the blocks. Then I need to go back to my facts and the video and see what my next piece of data is, which is 6 to 10 times, and that's 0.14. As you can see, this is clearly the highest percentage. So from here, you can continue watching the video, following along, and continuing to make these types of bars that you can see in the video. But you're going to be using the data that we used, which is the number of times students check their cell phones during the day. For this first piece.